Book Summary: Deep Work by Cal Newport. Cal Newport's Deep Work introduces the concept of focused, distraction-free professional activities that push your cognitive abilities to their limits. These periods of intense concentration lead to improved skills, innovative ideas, and work that is hard to replicate. In today's distraction-heavy world, mastering deep work is both increasingly valuable and increasingly rare. The power of deep work. Deep work fosters cognitive development by encouraging the growth of myelin in the brain, enhancing the speed and clarity of neural connections. This brain upgrade helps individuals connect ideas and solve problems more effectively. J.K. Rowling and Bill Gates are prime examples of using deep work to achieve groundbreaking accomplishments. Rowling finished the final Harry Potter book in a distraction-free hotel suite, while Gates developed the first version of BASIC in just 8 weeks by immersing himself in undivided focus. Newport himself exemplifies deep work by doubling his research output while balancing a family, teaching responsibilities, and writing this book. His methods show that deep work is possible even with a busy schedule, enabling us to produce high-quality results that stand out in a noisy world. Why deep work is challenging but essential. The modern world bombards us with distractions, from social media notifications to open office environments. These constant interruptions train our brains to seek novelty, making it harder to focus deeply. Despite this, deep work is crucial in an economy that rewards the ability to produce extraordinary work capable of reaching billions. Strategies to cultivate deep work. Schedule distraction periods. Avoid giving in to distractions at random. Instead, schedule specific times for breaks. Keep a notepad handy to jot down tempting distractions and only attend to them during your designated break. This practice builds focus and resilience. Establish rhythmic rituals. Transform deep work sessions into regular habits. Early mornings, when distractions are minimal, are ideal. Start with short sessions if you're new to deep work and gradually increase the duration. Masters of deep work typically reach up to 4 hours daily, broken into 60 to 90-minute intervals. Create a daily shutdown ritual. End each day by planning tasks for the next day and mentally shutting down work. This helps clear your mind, ensuring restful sleep and replenishing your focus for the following day. Newport's cheesy but effective phrase, "shutdown complete," signals the end of his workday, allowing him to unplug fully. Final thoughts. Deep work isn't just about productivity. It transforms your brain and allows you to create work of enduring value. In a world dominated by shallow tasks, mastering deep work sets you apart, enabling you to make a meaningful impact. I highly recommend this book. If you'd like a one-page PDF summary of the insights I gathered, just click the link below and I'll email it to you. If you're already subscribed to the free Wisey Book Summary email newsletter, this PDF is waiting in your inbox. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. As always, thanks for watching and have a productive week.